Hello people, I want to show you if such Makita Lawnmower with model DLM539 or known in USA as XML11, if this model can use this new huge 12 amperes batteries. So I inserted usual 5 ampere batteries and new just for comparison. So I will remove old batteries and will insert second huge batteries. It is huge, really. So they fit, they work, they contacted with terminals, but you can't close lid to the end. See, it stays a little bit opened. I don't think it is critical, because with such batteries you have 2 times more for work and they more powerful. I think this machine may work more hardly on long grass. However, if you will have rain or something like that, you should be aware of this. So let's see if it works. It can be switched on. So I wanted to share this information because I didn't find this information on internet, on YouTube, and I bought these accumulators and I thought that I will return them if something will go wrong, but as you see, it is capable to work with this lawnmower. This model in USA it is XML11, self-propelled, 21-inch or 53 centimeters. So I didn't use it for real yet, but I think it will be good. So bye bye.